What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Xena, and we're here again to drop another YouTube video for you guys. As you can see, today we're having NFP, guys. So I'm trying to predict the direction for you all to chop. But then let's not waste time. Let's get into it. So as you know, we always start from the weekly time frame, guys. I'm not actually okay. I have like flu. And that's a story for another day, guys. So here, guys, as you can see on the dollar index, we're having like our current high here and our current low, which is here. Then we can take this one as our current low. Then we're gonna add zones, guys. That's how we do it all the time. That's how we do it all the time. And here I'm gonna enter this one, this one, and this one again. Yeah, again. I'm not sure if I'm audible enough, guys, but then I will try by means to be audible. So from here, I think I'm gonna go to the daily time frame and see the trend that I have. And I think like for today, it's gonna be the longest clip ever, guys. I think it's gonna be the longest clip ever. So as for dollar index, I'm thinking like we should be allocating our support and resistance level from the first time, so that we know where we are going. I'm gonna allocate this one here as my support and resistance, and I'm gonna enter this one too here as my support and resistance level. So I think here, guys, we're gonna be having a beautiful downtrend, which is being respected like beautifully. So as you know, the rules of touches, guys, whatever happens at the top has to happen at the bottom. So I feel like here we already have like our that touch there. So I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame to see a proper thing, such that we know where we are going from there. The reason I'm dropping this video, guys, is that I actually have like network problems during the day. So I think like right now at the dawn, it's right to drop it. So as you can see, guys, here we have like 3 beautiful touches which are respected like for overall. As you can see, this was our first in the zone, this was our second below the zone, this is our third below the zone. So we have like more chances of going to the bottom side again, as you can see, but then we can judge later on with what we have. So as from here, I think I already know the direction that we're gonna be having for the CPI event. Event today on the 5th of January 2024. Hopefully becomes a better day. So from here, I think we're gonna be having this set up to here, zone over here, or we can even pass it to this level, such that maybe we can create a supply zone here, demand zone. I mean, it's been a while we were dropping clips, guys. I know. So be like relaxed with me explaining, try to understand like from my previous videos. So from here, I think I'm gonna go to the 1-hour time frame and try to get an entry point that will be valid for us. I'm gonna try by allocating this as my major key over here, and I have to create the bottom one. So I feel like from here we're gonna be going to the bottom side. Yes, we're gonna be going for the bottom side from here to here. So I feel like from there we're gonna be having these, some we can call it 90% rule. Let me try to Let me try to template it, let me try to template it for you to see where we are heading actually. I don't know, this network thing is too slow for me, bro. I feel like yes, here's a template, here's a percent, can name it like that. I feel like from there we're gonna be having this to the bottom side, having a 90% rule to this level over here, which is like a good thing that we can be having. So from here I think I'm gonna be moving to Nasdaq now to check what is it that we have. I won't be taking longer than that, but I think I'm gonna cover a lot of instruments over here from currencies, indices, and THRU, which is the dollar index. So right now I'm gonna head to Nasdaq and see what is it that we have. I'm gonna start with the daily 1 week time frame, as is the first Friday of January. So I'm gonna start by unzooming these charts over here. I'm gonna start by unzooming it. So I feel like here we're actually having like a break and retest. So I feel like Nasdaq has to be on a bullish momentum. Has to be on a bullish momentum like for a long time. Let's try to see what is it that we have over there. So I'm gonna allocate these levels, these, and I think they are fine from over there, you know, and I think they are fine like that. So as you can see from this level here, we had like something like a double top here, and we had like a neckline. So I think from here we can place our support and resistance level from this level to this. So let's go to daily time frame and try to get our trend for the day. So on a daily time frame, I think here we are having like sorry for that. From here, I think we're having this, which can be leading us a false break, but then I think we could be chopping from there up until that level over here. So I feel like let me check this thing over here. For a better direction, let me check this. Because I use it like simple. I need this. What is it? The curve. Here. So from here, I think guys, we're gonna be heading for a retest from this to this level over here, and then we're gonna be pushing to that top side again, which is gonna be a continuation thing. So I feel like this day T and they will be buying for this day, guys. So and then we cannot just win 1 day time frame. So I feel like majority of it can be this. So let me remove this quickly and then go to the forward time frame. And remember, this is our strongest like level. So from there we can bounce and then push to the top side again. And then I feel like I'm gonna hold it like for real, guys. I'm gonna hold Nasdaq at NFP time. I'm gonna be holding it. So from here, I think we can start like something like this again. Let me see if it's valid, but I think it's invalid. I think it's invalid from here. So I feel like from here we can take supply zones, demand zones, order blocks, and whatever that is there. So I think from this US Nasdaq thing, we can delete this one over here. But actually, let me not delete it. Let me go back to this level and then allocate it as my support and resistance in US1. So this is my order block over there. So I feel like on Nasdaq we're gonna be having more chances of it coming this to tap here and then go to the top side like this. So I feel like from Nasdaq we don't have much to do over there. I don't know why I'm becoming lazy on these pairs right now, because now I've been milking like currency pairs. I milk currency pairs a lot right now, but then I feel like US 30 and Nasdaq will be buying so hard, because you've seen like we have that correlation thing on dollar index and indices, you see. So I feel like it's gonna be giving us like that bullish momentum up until there. But then it will be depending on the current price. If you find it at two, I mean before CPI NFP time, if you find it's here, we're gonna be putting our SL over here, which is gonna be a clean one, such that we don't blow as much as we do. But then I prefer finding the amount that we are willing to blow if it goes against us. But overall, we do this. That's how we risk, depending on our zone and the current price that we'll be having. So for now, I'm gonna be doing this like this, for instance, to show you that we are going to buy. Even if the chart comes over there, like hold us there, we know that we won't be entering unless it's NFP time. So I'm gonna go to the 60 minutes time frame and try to check what is it that it's convincing that we're gonna be pushing into the top side. So this is the 60 minutes time frame. I'm gonna unzoom it again. And I feel like from here it's a beautiful like place for us that we can buy. Even from this point here, we can come and tap over this level and then buy over there. But we don't judge unless we see a proper thing over there. So here I'm gonna try to allocate if we have a reversal pattern or not. So I think I'm gonna allocate this one here. Sorry about that, guys. And then I'm gonna create one here, and then I feel like one is right at the top, so we can do this. We can come here, break retest, and then push to the top side, or we can get to this level over here and then come to this point and then just like wipe this liquidity over there and then push to the top. So this is my analysis for Nasdaq. So I'm gonna go to US30. Here's US30, guys. US30, I don't know what's going on right now with US30. It's been a while without trading it, but then I feel like US30 is like a last minute thing. If you want to trade US30, you're gonna trade it with 1 hour before the NFP time. But then let me try analyzing it. Let me try analyzing US30. Let me try analyzing US30. So for US30, I think it has already reached its highest peak, but then it has to respect what Nasdaq is gonna do, because at the end of the day they are all indices. So I feel like from here US30 can do more, it's already there, it's up there, but then here on a 1 week time frame it tells us that it recently just broke this level over here. So we are becoming more confident with that. So I feel like allocating these levels it's gonna help me. But then the major one is this one at the top here, and it's gonna help me know where I'm going. So I'm allocating these levels that I can use them even after a week or two. I'm gonna still use these zones if the market comes back over there. So here I will allocate this one here again, allocate this one, and then go to the daily time frame. Then I'm gonna allocate this one and then check what is it that we are having. So for US, think it's just a matter of like a retest and go, correlation and go, So I cannot like force this because it's invalid for me. But let me go to 4 time frame. Maybe I have a perfect structure over there that it's convincing me that we are going to buy. So I'm gonna unzoom this one again. I'm gonna unzoom this one, and I'm gonna do this and check if it's valid or not. But I feel like it's valid. Here we're gonna be heading for the 90% rule. We're gonna be heading for the 90% rule. If I were to enter now, it's gonna enter sales. Because check from this level, it tells us like we just broke this level, so we have chances of going to the bottom side, to the downside. I mean, and for us to get to this level, it's gonna be like time because each candlestick comes out after 1 hour. So for now, we're gonna be milking. We're gonna be going for sales, and then we're gonna come tap this level. Then we buy. I think I'm gonna chop USDT and NFP time. I feel like Nasdaq sometimes plays with me. I don't wanna play games with the indices. I don't wanna play games with these things. So I feel like yeah, that's it for USDT again. So I'm gonna be expecting this buys from here. There's this level over here, SL here. Let me see. Let me see. Let me delete this one again. And then I'm gonna go above this zone. Go above this zone here. So I feel like from here it's okay. Then our SL will drag it to this level here, and then we push for entry here. Then that's it again for USDT. That's how we're gonna be chopping USDT. So now let's see some few currency pairs on what is it that we have. Here we have silver, which I sometimes use it to analyze gold. It's like gold sometimes fuck me up, guys. So I don't want to play games with gold, but then I know for overall that it's gonna go the same way as indices. So for this one, I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame to see what is it that we have over there. So this network thing is playing with me, guys. I don't know why it's doing like this. I don't really know. And here, let's move forward. Let's move forward and see what is it that we have over there. So I think for this for silver, I think we are having like a clear thing over there. So for this, I'm gonna be using like pure price action. As you can see, guys, pure price action, you know that we're actually gonna be playing around this level over here. for too long that we can milk a lot from it. So I feel like here we already think we're having a bullish momentum, but then we cannot just like predict it today. And it's convincing that it's giving us like this young double bottom over here. As you can see, it's already have this left. But let me do this and try to allocate this level over here. I'm gonna allocate this one as my strongest level. Then I'm gonna check the trend that I'm having currently. Because I feel like here we're gonna be having our dead touch, our solid dead touch. But let's try to study it where the trend started. So I think this is our dead touch, which means here we had our false breakout. But let's go to 4 hour time frame and see how we're gonna be entering silver. See how we're gonna be entering silver, guys. This network thing, it's playing with me so much. I don't actually like it. So I feel like here it's already giving us that momentum that it's pushing to the top side. So I'm gonna be expecting buys on silver as well to take my profit over there at the top side. So here I think we're gonna be having something like a major key again. If we find it over there, we're gonna be entering buys more. So I feel like from here we need to play a little bit such that we know where to enter. See, so I feel like it's gonna be like this. And for us to break this major key, we have to have something at the inside it. Like we have to have double bottom, triple bottom, head and shoulder, or something like that, such that we can break that flag or whatever in a bullish momentum. You see the strong momentum that we're going to the top. So I'm gonna go to the 60 minutes time frame and try to see what is it that we have. So here, as you can see, like I said, this we're having this young head and shoulder over here. As you can see, we already have a shoulder and a head. So here I think it's like a tiny shoulder, but then as you can see, we're already in the middle over here on the off neckline. So I think we can just start buying from here up until at that top. As you can see, we can allocate this one here as our neckline and then put our buy over here, and then put a sell below this left shoulder again, because we don't want to hit a sell, guys. We don't want to blow accounts this time. So I feel like this year we should start with like a powerful momentum as ourselves that will keep us motivated that we are going to end this year with profits only. So here's a long thing that we're gonna be having, which is this one for silver. Same thing, it's gonna be happening to gold. For gold, I'm gonna go to the daily time frame as well. Go to the daily time frame. This network is too slow here. I don't know why. I don't know why. Yeah, here we go. So for gold, I'm gonna start with the daily time frame. Look at that spike over there. look at that spike over there. So here again, I'm gonna allocate the zones, but for a simple thing, Silver already told us that we are going to the bottom to the top side, you know. So here we just gonna do touch ups there and there, you know. So let me see if I have a trend here. Yes, I do have a trend over here. So I feel like here again it's valid. So I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame to fix my trend over there. Yeah, as you can see, here we are having a beautiful touch, which is not yet touched, but yeah, it's convincing that we are going to the top side. As you know, that's how the rule of touches goes, you know. So here I'm gonna allocate this as my strongest level at the moment. That's 4-hour time frame, you know. So as you can see here, we have our solid first touch and our second touch over here and our third touch over here. So it means we're gonna be pushing to the top side overall, you know. That's how I understand the touches. I don't know what you think, but I'm trying to share what I know and what I've been using all the time, you know. So that's how it might go. Here we have like a bullish flag, you know. So this bullish flag, we're gonna see what is it that we have inside of it, and we're gonna leave every chart on 1 hour. See, we're gonna leave every chart on 1 hour, guys. The entries you're gonna get, it's gonna be beautiful. Like, yeah, they're gonna be beautiful, I can tell. So here I'm gonna try to fix this over here like this. So for this call, I think we're gonna be having a long SL, like, you know, since we are not sure if it's gonna break this. But one thing I know is that if we break this here and then come retest close above this resistance, we're gonna be pushing to the top side, you know. But for now, it's not confirmed yet. I'm trying to just show you how it's done by Meta, you know. So that's why I'm gonna drag this SL here to that level, you know. So I'm trying to show you that we are going to that touch over there. So I think I'm gonna be trading gold, but then I'm not sure about gold. I'm thinking indices and I'm trying to hold them, you know. So as you can see, that's how it's gonna go. Let me go to 4 hour. Maybe it's gonna be clear that side. It's gonna be clear that side, you know. Yes, we are going for another touch over there, which is the third one. I think I'm gonna be trading gold as well, depending on where we get the market at and where we on which pair actually, you know. But then that's how we're trying to be. We will be monetizing on gold. You know. That's how we're gonna be playing gold. So now I'm trying to cover. Let me see what's next over here. Let me see what's next over here. So here we have Euro USD, which I think I have already analyzed from I think Monday or Tuesday somewhere there. I told the people in the group that we're gonna be expecting buys on Euro USD, you know. So as you can see here, we were already having these buys, as you can see, but I think we started with the sale over there. Let me see. Yes, yeah, we started with the sale, and we managed to capitalize that sale. Like, we killed Euro USD that day. I remember. Then we went for buys, but it took me out. So as you can see, my sales hit TP over there. Let me go to 5 minutes actually. Let me go to 5 minutes. So for Euro USD, I won't be analyzing anything. I'm just gonna show you what to expect as well there. So let me see if I don't have any running trades. I think for the coming videos, I'm gonna be sharing the results of the entries that I took. Thing is that I don't have like an editor, so it's gonna be hard for me to match the clips and the screenshots. But as you can see here, that's where we capitalized that sell on Euro USD, and it was sent at the group, and we managed to hit TP. But then I think on my TikTok account, I just posted that sales. I know I posted them like yesterday. So we managed to hit TP, as you can see, and then we actually tried to show that we're gonna be bouncing here and then we're gonna be buying. So that's how it's buying now. So I feel like Euro USD is done like that, guys. I feel like it's done like that. So let me check like properly and check if I need to analyze it further, or I'm just gonna show you how we're gonna be capitalizing on Euro USD as well. As you can see, that's it. As you can see, that's Euro USD for us. Let me just fix this. But I'm thinking we're gonna be pushing to this zone here. So let me try to unzoom this such that it becomes clear. So yeah, Euro USD we're already on buys, as you can see. So this is just like a young review on Euro USD. So I think once we break this level again here, we're gonna be going for buys on Euro USD. So guys, I think that's what I can actually cover up right now. So I think it's gonna be end of the video. I will make sure that after the event or the following day after the event, I'm gonna be posting the results live for you guys to see. I'm gonna leave this analysis like this, and I'm gonna share the screenshots, making a video on how it was done. So I feel like for now, guys, it's the end of the videos. Make sure you like, share, and comment, guys, if you like this kind of content, such that I keep uploading for you guys. Thank you again. It's your boy Azexina.